Welcome back to this video. In today's video, I will show you on how to permanently remove Gmail account on Android phone. So let's begin. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are very new to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorials like this. So with that being said, let's get started. So the very first thing you need to do is to open up your Gmail account. Just like so. Having opened up your Gmail account, next thing you need to do is to simply click on your profile icon. Then the next thing you need to do is to simply click on manage account on this device. It's going to take you to your user and account section. Next thing you need to do is to simply select the account you want to remove permanently. Then Google is going to ask you, remove an account, click on remove. Then right here, removing this account will delete all of its messages, contacts, and other data from your phone. Simply click on remove account. With that, the account is going to be permanently removed on the Android phone without any strain. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel for more useful tutorials like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.